Yeah.
Is there any alternative other than surgery, because they don't want to open the chest and go for the bypass?
అది ఇదేనండి ఈ బాటిల్లో ఉంది. దీని గురించి డాక్టర్ గారు కొద్దిగా చెప్తారు. హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరందరూ ఎంతో ఎదురు చూస్తున్న ఇంటర్వ్యూ టైం వచ్చేసింది. నేను స్వయంగా డాక్టర్ ఇబ్రాహిం దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసాను. అస్సలాము అలైకుం డాక్టర్ సాబ్. ఆల్రెడీ మా ఫాదర్కి సివియర్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఓపెన్ హార్ట్ సర్జరీ అవుతున్న టైంలో ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దొరికింది, వచ్చి మేము చేయించుకున్నాము. వీఆర్ రియల్లీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దాట్. చాలా మంది మా రిలేటివ్స్లో ఫ్రెండ్స్లో కూడా మంచిగా ఉపయోగపడింది ఈ ట్రీట్మెంట్. నేను ఇప్పుడు స్వయంగా మీ దగ్గర రావడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మా వ్యూవర్స్కి. అసలు ఈ ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఏంటి, ఇది వర్తేనా, అంత పెద్ద ఓపెన్ హార్ట్ సర్జరీని స్కిప్ చేసి రావడం అనేది మామూలు విషయం కాదు. డాక్టర్ గారు, ఈ పర్టికులర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ మీరు చేయాలి అంటే మీకు కంపల్సరీ లైసెన్స్ అలాంటిది ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా? అంటే దీని బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి. ఈ ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం అవసరము?
Actually, this is a type of medicine only. One of like Ayurveda, BAMS, like this only we have a degree, BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. We have 4.5 theoretical subjects and 1 year in hospital side internship. And even we have a surgical side also. We have medicine. All the subjects we follow, anatomy, physiology, pathology. Every subject we have to follow as they are following in MBBS and all, and BAMS. In BAMS we use Persian and Urdu languages.
Okay.
And BAMS they use Hindi and Sanskrit language. That is the only difference. The medicines which are they use and we use are the same, but the preparation method and the concept is something different. That is also in an Indian medicine. That is this is also an Indian medicine, and we need license for that.
Okay.
After completing internship we get a certificate of registration. With that we can practice, and we have to take for running clinic we have to officially take a license from the GHMC, and we have to practice.
ఇది ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఈ యునాని ట్రీట్మెంట్ హార్ట్ రిలేటెడ్? ఒకసారి బ్రీఫ్గా చెప్పండి.
Hello viewers. Grandfather started this treatment in 1954. He was director in research center of Unani Medicine. He was giving treatment regarding heart blockages and cardiac failure cases and valvular issues. So now after that my father used to practice in this, and from 2008 onwards I am with my father, and recently he expired. I am carrying out this same treatment, giving Unani medicine medication for that. Usually what happens, the cholesterol lipids increases in the body and forms the blockages. We give 7 days medications. 7 days you have to drink decoction, empty stomach, to remove that cholesterol forms. In dyslipidemia cases, like cholesterol is increased, if so 7 days medication is enough for that. And for blockage purpose, if the blockage is multiple, like 2 blockages or 3 blockages, and that is of more than 80% or 90%, it's high risk, and usually the patient is like suggest to have bypass. So this type of cases usually comes for us, and we repeat this 7 days decoction medication for them. We have a very good results in that blockages, so we have to repeat this 7 days course 4 to 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, depends on the case, how much the blockage percentage is, what is the position of the blockage and all. Other things in heart issues like heart failures, like LV dysfunction cases, we usually give medication for that, because there's no treatment in allopathic medicine for that actually.
Okay, for which?
For heart failure cases,
For heart
in which
failure,
the
yeah.
ejection fraction is reduced. Like today morning that the case
Yeah,
came
my
from
relate-
your
my friend came.
yeah. So her heart pumping is 39%,
Okay.
and in English allopathic side there is no treatment for that actually.
యా, గివ్ మీ ఎ సెకండ్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మా బిల్డింగ్లో మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళ మదర్కి హార్ట్ పంపింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉండే. అతను నన్ను అడిగితే ఈయననే సజెస్ట్ చేశాను నేను. దాని ద్వారా ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ ఆయన వచ్చి చూపించుకొని వెళ్ళారు. డాక్టర్ చెప్తున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ పర్టికులర్ హార్ట్ పంపింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఏదైతే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుందో దానికి రిలేటెడ్ అలోపతిలో కూడా మనకు ట్రీట్మెంట్ లేదు. సో వీళ్ళు అలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని కూడా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్ టు హియర్ దిస్.
Usually in this heart failure cases what happens, the ejection fraction heart enlarges actually. So for that in English medication they give only diuretics and all, and to support that muscles not to destroy more, that supportive treatment is given. But in our side we give medication to improve that ejection fraction again to back to normal. Other than these heart blockages, that carotid blockages and DVTs, varicose, and this type of cases also use this medication.
నార్మల్గా మనం చూస్తున్నది ఏంటంటే, రిపోర్ట్స్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళకు ఒక రిలేషన్ వస్తుంది, చాలా పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది మాకు, సీరియస్గా ఉంది అని. ప్యానిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఉంటారు. అలా వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొని రావాలి పేషెంట్స్ అంటే చాలా తక్కువ ధైర్యం ఉన్న వాళ్ళే వస్తారు. సో నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, మనకు ఇంట్లో ఉండగానే ఎలాంటి సింప్టమ్స్ చూసి మనం మీ దగ్గరకు రావచ్చు?
So actually what happens when the patient comes to our side with multiple blockages of 80, 90%, 100% like that. So we usually don't ask them to stop the allopathic side medication because we need that support. It stops the upcoming new problems it can stop. And further, what the patient is suffering from chest pain or breathlessness or something like that, any complaints are like that, within 7 days, the angina, the pain that comes in usually cardiac cases, it subsides.
ఇన్ అలోపతి
In our side when we start this 7 days medication for them,
Okay.
what happens when they come with so much multiple complications, they are very much worried that how can this medicine solve them. But actually what happens, simultaneously we use that medications also from all allopathic sides, and simultaneously we introduce our medication from our side. So in that the patient is getting any complaints and all will get subsided in 7 days. Sometime what happens, instead of normal blockages, they have some calcium in deposits in their blockages. If calcium deposits are there, it will take some time to remove because it is actually like cement formation in that arteries.
Okay.
And it stop the bloods, so it takes some times to remove that one. Again, after seeing that 7 days how the result is, then we'll decide for further medication.
You mean to say that allopathy treatment first initially they have to get those reports done first. Without that,
almost 90%
basic-
of cases,
basic- basic-
they
basic
go to the
report.
hospitals and because that is an emergency situation.
Okay.
So that's why they are being admitted in the hospital. They are kept in ICUs and all. After subsiding, as they discharge, they can start the medication for that.
Okay.
If they don't want to go to for surgery, they can come here and we'll see the reports. According to that only we suggest the medication to them. And then
I'm just asking, if they don't want to even go for allopathy, they just got some breathing issue sitting
they
in
can
the
use
home,
that medication
they can come to you directly. Yeah. So anybody who has
Because
some,
precautionary, they can use the medication.
Yeah.
If there is no problem also, they can use
yeah,
it.
there are
Some-
no side effects.
There are no side effects. The just if they are like plus 40 or early diabetic is the detected or hypertensive is there.
Yeah.
So in that cases, the precautionary they can use the medication for their safety and for prevention
Any
matters.
age limit for that?
Usually what happens, plus 18 till 18 20 years, there is no need of any medication because their activities are like very high.
Yeah.
So it doesn't need. After 2025, if they are like office works are there nowadays, what are the jobs like sitting jobs are there, most of them are IT people.
Yeah.
There is sedentary lifestyles slowly implicates in the body, and new complications will arise. So after 2025 they can use the medication. If they have any problem or they won't have any problem, they can use the medication
Without any side
without any side effect.
20+ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఏం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లేకపోయినా ఒకవేళ డౌట్లో ఉన్నారనుకోండి, నాకేమన్నా వస్తుందేమో, ఏమైనా కాంప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయేమో తెలియదు, సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చి ఆరాంగా ఒక 1 సిట్టింగ్ వేసి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. వాళ్ళకి ఎటువంటి సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ రావు. యూనాని ట్రీట్మెంట్ చాలామంది వేరే వేరే చోట్ల చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, హార్ట్ రిలేటెడ్, లంగ్స్ రిలేటెడ్. సో హౌ ఈస్ దిస్ particular clinic is different from other Unani? Why is this so famous? So what is that USP in this treatment? Is this any patented treatment or secret treatment which you follow from your family's legacy? Yeah, you can have some light on that.
You can say like it's a family tradition medicine. This formulation was developed by a grandfather. He was very much interested in cardiac cases. At that time that was like very minimal cases, so there were not much cases. We started openly on the markets, we started in 98 actually, this clinic, but since 54 he was giving treatment to his like friends and family members, whoever having this problem. He usually, and while working in research center also, he used to give the medication if the patients come. He used to practice on that thing. He was very much interested in that. And after my father completed his graduation and his post graduation was going on, he started practice with my grandfather. So he also started the same medication, but at that time there was not much cases. After 2000, like 4 or 5 I think, maybe when I was still in the college life, I have seen that the cases were a big leap. I have seen after 2004 and 5 from there out of station patients started to come from other states, from Maharashtra, Karnataka, MP, and other states. Almost all of the parts of India they are going to come. So in international levels also, the patients who stay here, they referred some cases from outside countries, from US, Australia, UK, and Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, and all these Gulf countries also, they started to come. The thing is, like, actually patient wants some alternative.
Yeah.
Is there any alternative other than surgery? Because they don't want to open the chest and go for the bypass or go for any stenting and all. They were very much worried about that, so that's why they opted for this medication. And when they heard about it, they tried about it, and when they tried, they got good results. Actually, we don't have any type of like advertisement, any type of TV commercial or any paper ad, nothing. There's nothing like any. We have only one mode of advertisement, and that is patient to patient. If the patient is getting result, he is sending another 4 patients. If they are getting result, they are sending another 4 patients. Till this date, we don't have any type of any Facebook page or any type of Insta page or any YouTube channel, nothing. I think this one is my third or fourth interview like I have given on the interest of the patients and all.
Yeah.
Any special interviews hasn't been arranged. My grandfather usually says that don't go for advertisement, go for the treatment. That is the main agenda. That, and moreover, like, patients are much more surprised about the charges of the medication.
Yes.
Actually, like, they are going for lakhs of rupees they are giving in hospital and still not getting that proper treatment, and after that surgery and life is almost up to finished, the patient is depressed and everything is like horrible thing. But the medication charges from our side is, when they heard about it, like, what you are taking actually. But still, my father said, my grandfather also said, don't commercialize it. That is our faith actually.
Yeah.
That is our faith. Like, the patient are getting treated and getting good results because of that only, that we are not commercializing it.
No.
And when we start commercialization or advertising, then that is the last step, I think. Maybe that's why I am also not like in favor of any type of advertisement of my clinic. I strongly believe that the patient to patient is the best advertisement
Yes.
that we are getting.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ చెప్పారు డాక్టర్ గారు. డాక్టర్స్ ఎంత డబ్బులు సంపాదిస్తే అంత మంచిదని ఒక ఆపర్చునిటీ లాగా చూస్తున్నారు. కానీ వీళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ ఏదైతే మాట చెప్పారో అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మాకు ఎటువంటి అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ పేషెంట్ టు పేషెంట్ మీరు రెఫర్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి, ఆ సర్వీస్ అనేది కొనసాగుతూ ఉంటుంది అని చెప్తున్నారు. కాబట్టి మీది కూడా ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఏముందంటే, ఎవరెవరికైతే మీ ఫ్రెండ్ సర్కిల్లో, మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో హార్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయో డెఫినెట్గా ఈ ట్రీట్మెంట్ని మీరు రెఫర్ చేయండి. 100 కాదు 200% రిజల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. డాక్టర్ గారు, హార్ట్ కాకుండా ఐ థింక్ యునాని అనేది అలోపతి లాగా ఒక వ్యాష్ ట్రీట్మెంట్. సో అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హార్ట్, డూ యూ ఆల్సో ట్రీట్ ఎనీ అదర్ డిసీజెస్?
Actually, maximum most of the cases we deal in heart only. Apart from that, this 7 days decoction is utilized in paralysis cases also. If the patient is not old, like fresh case is there below 3 months or below 6 months, within 7 days we get results. If for paralysis patient, for paralysis,
Okay.
same medication is see what happens in paralysis is blockage. In heart also blockage, and paralysis and blockage. So we deal in paralysis cases. Other than that is carotid blockages and DVTs in lower leg, like varicose vein. We use medication, the same therapy for that persons also. And other than these blockages and cholesterol cases, we use give medication in arthritis also, and some kidney related issues. Kidney related issues also we deal.
Anything special for dialysis patient?
Dialysis, if the dialysis once start, actually the thing is, like, if the patient is having zero urine flow,
Okay.
then there is no treatment actually.
Okay.
Before that only we can treat the cases. He can use the medication and the creatinine levels is controlled with the medication.
Okay.
And other than that, we give medication for diabetes also to control down the levels. If the patient is having uncontrolled diabetes, it can be controlled. Hypertension, for hypertension also we give medication.
Okay.
And rest, generally a lot of patients come with patients
pains,
attenders, knee pains, arthritis, cervical lumbar spondylisis and all. Lot of cases comes. Kidney stones, and gallstones patients.
Okay, you treat for renal.
We give medication for that. We just prescribe the medication for them. And a lot of cases, if we see the position of that renal stone or gallstone, if there is sizes very like large size stones are there, we usually prefer them go for surgery, or else If it is subsided with the medication, we prescribe the medication.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఏదైతే మెడిసిన్ నేను మాట్లాడానో మీకు 7 డేస్ కంపల్సరీ వేసుకోవాలి అని, అది ఇదేనండి. ఈ బాటిల్‌లో ఉంది. దీని గురించి డాక్టర్ గారు కొద్దిగా చెప్తారు, వినండి.
This is the 7 days decoction what I was saying actually. This is prepared purely from herbs and it is purely vegetarian. For 7 days, it is enough for cholesterol and any lipids which are higher in the blood levels. And for blockage purpose, this decoction is repeatedly given. In
7 days.
7 days is one cycle. We have to repeat in 4 cycles, 5 cycles, 6 cycles like that at the interval of 10 days gap, 15 days gap or a month gap. Depend on the case. How much the issue is, how much the blockage percentage is, and what are the blockage levels and what are the positions of the blockage, we decide the medication. In like previously I said, ejection fraction cases, usually we don't use this medication for that, for pumping system, because they have some different medication for them.
Okay.
In this liquid is not given because already there is a lot of water retention in their body, so we usually don't use this liquid medication for them. And rest blockages and paralysis, DVTs and varicose vein, we use the same decoction for 7 days. Generally the pain which the patient is getting, the angina and breathlessness, heaviness in the chest, usually decrease in these 7 days.
So what's the cost of this 7 days?
This 7 days treatment is like 900 rupees. 900 rupees for 7 days. In parcel system, like some other state patients which they are not unable to come because they have a lot of critical situation, they're unable to walk, they are getting pain and all. So in that type of cases, we usually send the medication. This medicine is prepared daily on basis. We have only 2 holidays in a year, that is of Eid. Okay, and rest of the time we have to prepare this medicine every day. We have to prepare it. So on daily basis we prepare for whole night, then morning we dispense the medicine. In other state the patient is there and he is unable to come, so in that type of cases we give in dry sachet form. So that is of 7 days is of 700 rupees, and if they are using here it is of 900 rupees.
Is there any difference between this bottle and the sachets which you will be giving to the people out of state?
10 to 15% different may be possible, because actually what happens, we have given the powder and the decoction, they both have the same contents. Actually the contents are not different, contents are exactly the same, but the thing is the type of preparation, because here we prepare at least 100 to 120 patient daily, and if you are taking that sachet, you are preparing only for a single person. So the extract which comes here, that doesn't come there. That is the only difference, but the medication is same. And this is the sachet we give to the patients. Same procedure is there, like how we prepare. Usually this procedure is like you have to keep 1.5 glass of water and soak it for whole night, and in morning you have to boil for for 5 minutes. After that you have to filter it and take it empty stomach. That is very easy method, that is not a complicated one. And the same procedure will be given like 7 days. Here you can use it, or some the patient is not coming, 7 packets will be given, they can use at their place also. There is no issue for staying here in Hyderabad, they have some facilities over here. We recommend them to try this one, take this directly.
ఈ బాటిల్ ఏదైతే మీకు కనిపిస్తుందో ఇది కూడా ఇంట్లోకి డైరెక్ట్ డెలివరీ చేస్తున్నారు. దాని ఛార్జెస్ డిఫరెంట్గా పర్ డే 200 రూపీస్ ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారు. ఎవరైతే హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకు మాత్రమే.
Some patient actually what happened, the daily schedules are there, some busy schedules are there, they have to come daily and pick up this medication for them, because we prepare it daily. So for that, after this pandemic, some people came across with me and they said me they want to give this service for them. So I think that is a very good idea. The patient will get a good benefit, because sometimes what happens, the patients are very old and they have no other sources to come. They have to give 500 rupees up and down for auto person and all, and that is very difficult for them. This medicine is delivered all over Hyderabad, from Lingapalli to LB Nagar, almost all of the places daily, almost 50 to 60 places they are going and delivering this medication. After this pandemic, the online medication is being given.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను అన్నట్లు ముందు వీడియోలో డాక్టర్ గారికి మీరు కనుక జస్ట్ రిపోర్ట్స్ పంపించారనుకోండి, కింద కనిపిస్తున్న ఈ నంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి, డాక్టర్ గారితో మాట్లాడండి, తెలుసుకోండి మీ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఎంత ఉన్నదనేది తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాతే ఆయన ఏం అయితే సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారో దాని ప్రకారంగా యూ ప్రొసీడ్ ఫర్దర్. సో డాక్టర్ గారు, ఇప్పుడు మీరు మెడిసిన్ గురించి అయితే చెప్పారు. ఈ మెడిసిన్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఫుడ్ రెస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ అలాంటివి ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా?
There is food restriction for medication using this 7 days decoction. They have to stop all the sour items like pulpu, tamarind, pickles, lemon, curd. These things you have to stop for 7 days. And citrus fruits you have to avoid again. Cold fruits like banana, pineapple, custard apple, this type of fruits they have to avoid for 7 days. Usually we recommend them in fruits if they are using papaya and fig, anjeer. See, the non-veg is like they have to close the non-veg. Mutton if they are using, they have to avoid that completely. They have to avoid it. Chicken and fish, if the patient is non-vegetarian, they can use chicken, fish and egg during this 7 days medicine also. There's no issue.
Fish,
Chicken and egg during these 7 days also they can use it. There is no issue for that. For cardiac cases, they have to completely cut down the mutton and curries and all, masalas and all. In precautionary basis, if they are using for 7 days, they have to just avoid pulpu.
డాక్టర్ గారు, థ్యాంక్స్ లాట్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ యువర్ వాల్యుబుల్ టైమ్ టు అస్. మీ ద్వారా చాలామందికి ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా, ఈ ట్రీట్మెంట్ ద్వారా ఉపయోగపడుతుందని, ఒక సోషల్ సర్వీస్ అవుతుందనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ వీడియోని చేస్తున్నాం మేము. సో థ్యాంక్స్ లాట్ వన్స్ అగైన్. కీప్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ గ్రేట్ వర్క్.
Thank you viewers.